The Somali National Army, SNA, said Saturday its forces killed 37 al-Shabab militants in Middle Shabelle region on Friday night amid the ongoing military operations to flush out the extremists in the southern part of the country. The Somali National Army, SNA, last night carried out a planned operation in the Galka-Harare area of Middle Shabelle where the militants were based, killing 37 al-Shabab militants and capturing 2 others, SNA said in a statement issued in Mogadishu. The incident came after the government forces killed 15 al-Shabab militants including leaders during an operation in Galka-Harare village in Middle Shabelle region on Friday. General Odawa Yusuf Rage, who spoke to the Somali National Army radio, said that they killed 15 al-Shabab fighters in an operation and attacked their bases. The commander added that they will continue to fight against al-Shabab in areas under the control of Johar and Rage towns in Middle Shabelle region. The Somali military has been conducting operations in the Middle Shabelle region for the past few days to fight al-Shabab militants in many parts of the region. The government forces have intensified security operations against the al-Qaeda allied terrorist group as the country prepares to hold presidential and parliamentary elections within 60 days. The terrorist group, which has been fighting to overthrow the government, has vowed to disrupt the elections.